you ready?
Let's learn Igbo!
Come on! Come on!
Come on!
When the morning sun comes up and I wake up bright and happy, I say, good morning,
Ụtụtụ ọma,
good morning.
ụtụtụ ọma.
When I see my grandma, I smile and say, good morning, grandma.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ndewo. English first, then Igbo. Listen, learn, and here we go.
Hello,
Ndewo.
good morning.
Ụtụtụ. How are you? Kedu. I am fine. Ọdịmma.
Clap your hands.
1, 2, 3.
Learning Igbo.
Come sing with me. I see my friend coming down the way. I wave my hand and what do I say?
Hello, my friend.
Ndewo and him.
Hello,
Ndewo. Hello.
hello.
Ndewo. Wave up high, wave down low. Hello in Igbo is Ndewo. Now my friend wants to know how I'm feeling, so here we go. How are you? Kedu. How are you? Kedu. I am fine. Ọdịmma.
I am fine.
Ọdịmma. English first, then Igbo. Listen, learn, and here we go.
Hello,
Ndewo.
good morning.
Ụtụtụ ọma. How are you? Kedu. I am fine. Ọdịmma.
Clap your hands.
1, 2, 3.
Learning Igbo.
Come sing with me. I meet a new friend and I want to know, what is your name? Gịnị. What is your name? Gịnị.
My name is Ada.
Ahamboda.
My name is Chidi.
Ahambochidi.
Now it's your turn.
Tell me your name.
What is your name?
Gịnị.
Very good.
Ọdịmma. Grandma gives me something sweet, a juicy mango for me to eat. I smile at grandma, and what do I say?
Thank you.
Daalụ. Thank you, grandma. Daalụ. Ndewo. Daalụ. Thank you, Daalụ. Daalụ.
I say English. You say Igbo.
Are you ready?
Here we go.
Hello. Ndewo.
Good morning.